Hello friends, today we are learn A to Z and number drawing with color. So let's start. Brown color. A for alligator, yellow color. B for ball, orange color. C for cat, light green color. D for dog, sky blue color. E for egg, brown color. F for frog, yellow color. G for guava, orange color. H for horse, light green color. I for ice cream, sky blue color. J for jug, brown color. K for kangaroo, yellow color. L for lemon, orange color. M for mango, light green color. N for nest, sky blue color. O for orange, brown color. P for pencil, yellow color. Q for queen, orange color. R for rabbit, light green color. S for sun, sky blue color. T for train, brown color. U for umbrella, yellow color. V for fan, orange color. W for watch, light green color. X for Xmas tree, sky blue color. Y for yak, brown color. Z for zebra, yellow color. Number 1, orange color. 2, light green color. 3, sky blue color. 4, brown color. 5. Yellow color. 6. Orange color. 7. Light green color. 8. Sky blue color. 9. Brown color. 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.